Yeah, copy. So what you have done? Okay. 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 Good. Yeah. What is your office timing, copy? Office timing? Okay. Gopi and Femina, there will be no class on 14th and 15th August. Huh? I'm on PTU actually. Yeah. Okay. Mhm. Mhm. Okay. But you found error as you said, correct? But your test case got passed here. Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Can you show me the error? Mm-hmm. Okay. So your locator is same, correct? Mm-hmm. Okay, this one class. Okay, this class you used. Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. So yeah, you try and let me know then. Okay. So let me share my screen now. Okay. So today we are going to learn two things. One is list in the each iterator, and also we'll see fixture one. How to use fixture. Okay. So Gopi, uh, can you just tell me what do you mean by fixture? Something fixed. What do you think, Femina? To fix, correct? Uh-huh. Okay, okay. So this is the idea of fixture in your mind as of now, correct? So I'll clear that concept according to Cypress. What exactly fixture is? Okay. So fixture is one folder in Cypress which we get by default. If you see carefully in different site, I'll share my screen. Can you see my screen now? So see, can you see this fixture folder left hand side? Yes, Gopi. So, yeah, so by default we get this fixture folder. So under fixture folder we have one JSON file like example.json. So it is also we get by default when we are installing Cypress. Okay. So basically, what is the use of this fixture file? Okay. So what happened? Like if you want your data should be there in one place and you want to access the data, okay, without entering again. If you're keeping your data for encapsulation purpose or say for security reason, so you can keep your data in the fixture file under JSON format. Okay. So this is the idea of fixture. So before we moving to fixture, we'll see the list here now. Okay. So see, list also is a very basic concept. Like what happened now. Yesterday example only I have taken here. This each element index and list. So what I did in cy.log, I just put list.text. Can you see? Now if I run this, now see the result here. What happened? See, you got the result. Now see this result. Can you see the result? So what happened now? Yeah, so it display the list of all the airport name. But if you see carefully, this one is getting iterated. Can you see? So we are getting this list 205 times. Can you see? Yes, Gopi and Femra, you getting me what I'm saying? See, we are getting the list of this airport, but we are getting this. Yeah, again, I like, because why we are getting this so many list again, because we are putting this inside this each iterator. So it's looping, it's looping. Yeah. So in that case, instead of taking list, you can use element or index. Okay, because it's loop. Yeah, it's a whole list. It's looping for 205 times. Got my point? It's not in standard format. Inside the each, mainly we use element or index. Rarely in some case we use list, or like in a expected, like we are comparing something using assertion. At the time we can use list. So we'll learn later on. But as of now, if you use list no in each iterator, so you can see that iterating, it's taking the list and it's iterating 2.5 times. If you see carefully. No, we cannot use as of now in each iterator. Got my point? So any doubt? No. Okay. So we'll learn more on list when we are working on assertion. Yeah, yeah. So we have finished this each iterator using element, index, and list. Okay. So can you just let me know why we use each and what is the use of each iterator? Yes, Femina, if I want to ask to you. Okay. So what is the use of each function, each method? No. Okay. If I ask to Gopi, what is the use of each, or what is the function of each method? Exactly. Each means what? Each, like we use for loop in our C, C++, JavaScript for loop. We have for each. So in Cypress, we have each method. Like we want to iterate, like we have around more than 100 items, and we want to iterate each atom. So we use each method here. And in the each method, they have given us three parameter like element, index, and list. So you can use as per your scenario. Either you can use element, index, or list. So the main purpose of each function is to iterate. Got it? Okay. Now moving forward, uh, we'll today we'll learn fixture. Okay. So I'm having one script for fixture. I'll let you know. Can you see this one? So first I'll open the fixture folder here. See, this is the JSON format. Can you see carefully? So in the JSON format, you can see the curly braces like this, open and close. And inside the curly braces, we have this name in double quote, then colon. This is the, like, its name as value. You can also say it's an attribute and this one is its value. Email, this one is email ID. Password, this one is password body. So what happened? Why we use fixture? See, fixture plays an important part in Cypress. So how we use fixture, like, so in the fixture folder we have one JSON file. Okay, in JSON format we put all our data inside the fixture file, and whatever data we want we just access it. Okay, so the question comes here, how to access that folder data from the JSON file. Okay, so today we learn how to access this one, and this one is the important concept in Cypress. And in mailing company we use fixture also, like put data like username, password, IDs, whatever data you want to use we put in fixture only. And the second thing, like, there is no need to do repetitive work, again putting the email, again putting the password in type. So there is no need to put your data after type, so you can hide your data also. Okay, so let me share you the example of fixture here. Now see carefully here. This is describe block. Inside describe we have defined one data variable data. Okay, and this one is a before hook. So how to define fixture? So we can define fixture by writing like this: cy dot fixture. Okay, now this one is accessing fixture. Inside fixture folder, if you see carefully, you can see example.json form. So what is the name of this file? Example.json. So keep example here. Okay, then use then function here and create one variable app data. So what is use of then? So then is used to access whatever is there inside this file. We use then. So whatever with the data is there inside this example JSON file, we access it from data. Okay, and what we do, we passing this data to data. This one is another variable we have to. Can you please unmute? My voice is repeating. Yeah. Now what happened? Whatever with the data is there inside this example.json file, we access it using then function. So my data is now it is in app data. Okay, now I want to assign this app data to data which already define wherever define. Okay, now my data, like whatever be the data is there inside the example.json file. Okay, so I put this inside the data. Now my data is there inside this data. Now I want to access this data. So like this one is your before each. Now create one it block. So login Facebook account using data situated in fixture. Okay, this is your Facebook user as URL. Now grab the locator for email and password and write on type. Now instead of writing this hello at the rate cypress.org, you just writing keeping interacting with email. See, if you see carefully, data dot email. What is data? Data you define this. Data contains all the data which is in fixture. So you just write on data dot email, data dot password. So if you open this script to anyone, so they cannot see your email and password. So if you learn this concept in ops like data encapsulation, okay, so you can keep your data hidden from outside world. You can keep data in a separate folder just so that no one can see that data. So similarly, we use fixture folder here. So you can keep your data inside that fixture folder and you can access it by using this method. And there is another method also accessing data that I'll show you tomorrow. Okay, how to access that one using aliases. Okay, even though I'll give you an assignment to access the fixture using aliases. Okay, but as of now we are not using aliases, we are only using simple fixture and data variable and we are accessing it. Okay, so now I'll run this. Can you see the email ID, the password it entered from the fixture file? See, password. Hello, Femina and Gopi. Now tell me your doubts if you, yeah. Pardon, Gopi. Yeah, app data is like, when you are using then function. So what we are doing here, using then function, we are accessing whatever is there inside this example.json file using some variable. So you can keep any name A, B, C, D variable name for this one, and put all the data like whatever you are fetching now, you are just assigning to this data. It's a syntax. See, we cannot. Yeah, app data is managed is like if you are using then no. So after then, so you need to put some variable here so that you can access whatever is there inside it. Yeah. You can change your name, Femina. Doesn't matter. Now run it. Yes, we can also view directly with data. That is also we can do it. So there is one method I'll showcase you. First, I'll run. Uh, See, you got the result. Now, if you want to use directly, so what you will do, in this type, remove this data, remove this data also. Okay. Now write down here, Femina. Now I'll just now see if I run this one, see what happened now. Can you see? Femina is not defined here. So what I'll do now, I'll write here this dot Femina. Now see what happened. See again I'm giving cannot read properties of undefined reading Femina. Can you see? Or what I'll do, I'll instead of this no Femina, I'll just write down here data like Femina. Okay, now I'll run this one. Again I'm getting the same. Cannot read properties of undefined reading Femina. Got my point? There is a reason we define outside this one and we're accessing it. Now there is another way using aliases we can do. Yeah, we can assign directly assign also. Like see the example here. What I'll do now. Here we cannot directly assign data because this one is then function. We're accessing one uh, whatever data is inside the example. We're accessing using one variable which is not defined outside. Okay, so we have to define one variable data. Then you have to assign it into data. So there is another method also. Like if I just give comment to this one is my fixture. I don't want as of now. What I'll do, I'll write here this fixture. Now I use here dot alias. This is a function alias. Inside that I write data here. Mm, start taking alias here. Okay, okay. Data. Let me check that one. It's not working as of now. Otherwise, what happened? You use as here aliases data and you access it from here. So sometime this fat arrow is not supported by fixture. So we write function here. Aliases see whether fixture example as data, and we'll use data here. Mhm. Okay, okay. See whether result string. Maybe it's not working still. I'll let you know, Vimina. Yeah, it's not working at my end. Yeah. So can you see this one? Yeah. So see, if you are using aliases, as means aliases, okay. So in that case, you have to put in a string like single quote, and if you want to access that one, you can put in single quote. So it will work. Okay. So here there is no need to define data and all. You are accessing directly. But in case of then, you have to write on the one variable without uh, defining. But for this data which you are assigning it, you have to define this one, and you can access it. So these are two method, Yeah. So which one is looking good and easy one? aliases. Okay, you can try with both, even aliases or without aliases using then function. Exactly. You can create your own JSON file. For example, if I create one JSON file like gopi.json. Now, no email ID. I don't email port. Here is your email ID abc@gmail.com. You comma, then your password. PASW password. It's a password now. ABC1234. Okay, now I want to access this one. So I save it first. Go to my code. Now instead of this example, which is there in the, I use Gopi. I save it now. Run it. Can you see? See, this is my data and data. Even though no one can see your data, data.email.password. Correct? Yeah. Now see the difference. If I use without aliases, this one. If I just give comment on this, if I use variable data, if I remove this one, also I remove the single quote here. If I run this one, so see the difference now. Okay, data.email, what is saying to us? Let me check the Gopi pass email and password. Data.email and password. Now, if you see carefully, no, in this you can see your email ID. Hello, Cypress IO. Can you see? ये password 123. Correct? Now see, if I use aliases, so check it out whether we are getting this password and email getting displayed or not in the test runner. Okay, they are telling me to use force to. We'll use that one, but check it out whether we are getting. Yeah. See, can you see? data dot email and data dot password. Can you see any email ID password getting displayed or not here? Yeah, so it is better to use aliases. It is better to use aliases. That's working fine. Any doubt? So let me share this one to you. So what I want from you to create one JSON file and create one username and password and run it, and let me know if you find any doubt. Your mic is not working, no? Because my voice is repeating to me. So is there any problem at your end? Okay, am I audible? Okay, I am sending you the code here. Just try at your end. Let me know any doubt. Yeah, please share me your screen. Gopi or Femina, anyone from you. Let me know what you are doing. Femina put siva.js. Femina, you have to close the hook before it block. Uh, Line number 20, cut that open braces, remove that open braces, line number 20, and put it at line number 9. It block should be auto hook. Save it, run it. Search your locator, is it correct or not? Username and password. Check it out the locator once again. This one is correct, no doubt. Just check it out your locators. Check it out whether this locator is unique or not. Username and password. And one thing, you have done one mistake. Like you use then function, correct? So when you are using then there should be no string in line number 15 and 16. Remove the string, single quote. When we use aliases, then only you can use single quote. Save it and run it. Check it out your locator. Username locator is correct or not? Okay. Open your JSON file, private.json. Username and password. Okay. Just check it out your locator. Username. Go to your test case. See where it is. Yeah. Check it out your locator username. This one is unique or not? How to find out locator, Femina? You are on mute actually. I'm not getting what you are saying. Yeah, you like where you get this locator username. First, you need to find out the locator, no, for username. Open your Google Chrome, type facebook.com and find out the locator. No, we cannot create locator that directly. First we need to find out. Otherwise, how it will go to that side only? Got my point? Yeah. Gopi, have you done that one? Okay. See, don't use that one. Just which one you are using? ID email is your correct. See ID. Yeah, copy that one. Control F. Put a hash before email and check it out whether it is unique or not. Control F. Yeah. Now put hash before email. This one is unique or not? Yeah. Take it out. Take it this one. I think you are not practicing, correct, Femina? Exactly. But how to find locator? What do you think? No, 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 no. See, we required locator. For example, if someone had to send something, so there should be an address, no? So email and password is not ID. It's an attribute for your data. And what we are going see clear this concept. Like what we you do, you are putting your data in one file, and you are telling the data to go to the Facebook search box username. Okay, so to send the data to the Facebook search box, we need locator. Without locator, how can it goes to the Facebook site? So if locator is nothing but the address, so every without locator you cannot go further. You need locator for that one. Yeah. Okay, so you got one locator for email, same for password. Uh, yeah, ID is pass, correct. Check it out, it is unique or not. Hash, yeah, yeah, both are working. So go to your script. Yeah, no, 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 not here, not here. This is a JSON file. Yeah, here you have to change. See where get, get. Yeah, this is a locator. Email, hash email, and next one is hash pass. Yeah, and once again, this is your written password now. So give the one spelling password if you want, or it's a variable. You're accessing that variable. Email. Keep as it is. Email. Keep as it is. Keep as it is. Email. You can also keep your name, no problem. And for pass, you can just type down password because here you have written password, no. So that spelling should get match. Data.email, data.email, data.pass, and data.pass. Remove the word. Okay. Now save it and run it. It's clear now. Yeah. Exactly. It represents attribute. Yeah. Yeah. In JSON file, it's not a variable. I think it's a attribute and value. Attributes. Yeah, you can change. You can keep your name Femina one, Femina two, password like this only. But it is a password now, so that's why we put email only, email and password, so that we should know that what is this data. So we're keeping the appropriate name. So to get our okay, run it, save it and run it. Yes, pass. Okay. So I'll give an example assignment to you guys. What you do, you find out any website like online filling form something which contain the uh, 10 search boxes. How many? 10. So you keep that 10 data, like different data, username, password, something like that in one fixture file and try to access them. So in if you search on online, you will get any form, containing the data, having 10 data like different like location, address, password, name. So use a fixture file and find out for each you have to find out locator femina. Okay, without locator you cannot do anything. Yeah, remember this thing. Okay. Okay then guys, we'll meet on tomorrow, same time. Yeah, Gopi, tell me. Can you show me your screen? Okay, show me your code. Your fixture name is also data. Open your fixture folder. Okay, data.json. Okay, now show me. Show me your code. Cva.js. Can you please run it? Save it and run it. No commands were issued in the text. Okay, close it and once again start it. Close. No. Its function is correct. You just close the test runner and run one again. Yeah, close it. Run it once again. So okay. Show me. Okay, do one thing. Now instead of function, remove the function. Use callback function. Comma. Pattern operator. Bracket. As you have described in describe block line number 5. Same as yeah. Comma, bracket and pattern operator. This is callback function. Open the curly braces. Yeah, run it now. Once again. There is one file. There is one missing. No bracket. Yeah. No, see line number 13. You can see the red mark. So can you just close at line number 19? Yeah. Show me. Okay. Gopi, at line number, see describe block. See careful describe block. What you did after Facebook, you close that one, correct? in describe blog. Why did you close that one after Facebook? Okay, yeah, close at the end. Line number 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. Save it and run it. Okay, so do more practice. Okay, okay, guys. So we'll meet tomorrow then. Okay, bye. Take care. So any doubt up till now? It's clear, no? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Bye.